Alrighty. So this is going to be a pretty quick video. Let me go ahead and open. Does it show anything? Okay, yeah. It's pretty much just another unboxing video. I have ordered a couple parts for the GTR. Some of them being the fuel rail, the fuel filter, the map sensor, and what else did I order? The coil pack upgrade and external igniter delete kit. All of that's supposed to be coming in within a week of each other. So not, oh, messed up. So not too bad of a wait. I think the longest, I think I ordered everything. I ordered everything on Tuesday, and the last thing's supposed to come in, what is it, next Friday? So not too far after the order, roughly about a week. But that's not right. A week and a half is what I meant to say. But yeah, this is just my map sensor. So let's go ahead and open this up as well. And this one is a 5-bar map sensor. Once again, I talked to my engine builder slash tuner about which one is best. They actually put a little QR code for the instructions. And he's told me with the ECU I'm running and everything, I need to get a 5-bar map sensor. So that is what I did. Go ahead and get this part open. And yes, I know I have not finished installing my fuel pump and fuel pump kit. I purposely am waiting until everything comes in because that actually has some wiring stuff. I have to splice some wires. So what I would like to do is I have to look at what all I have to do to put this on. Excuse me. But depending on what all I have to do to put this on, yeah, it looks like I'll have to run wires as well. I'll get all the wires and everything prepped to run this, but I won't do the wires yet because what I want to do is I want to do everything that does not directly have to do with wiring, just that way I can rule that out as far as making sure it's working properly. So I want the coil pack upgrade and igniter delete kit come in. I'll take out the old coil packs, I'll put the new ones in, and I'll actually take off the external igniter. I'll start it up, make sure that works, so that way I can verify that it works. I'll turn it off, and then I'll do the same thing with the fuel rail injectors and fuel filter. Once again, assuming that there's no extra wiring involved, I believe that is all just straight plug and play. That will allow me to know that there are no issues with that, or if it's not working, it narrows down where my issues are instead of doing the fuel pump first and then having wiring issues or not knowing if wiring is what's causing issues with other stuff. So it allowed me to check individual components to make sure I know exactly what is working, how it's working, and then I don't know why I put that right there. Pretty much just all in all get a better feel for it and making sure that everything's going as planned. So over the next few weeks I'll be getting into that because I know the next couple weekends I have some events and some different things I have to do coming up. So I'll be on weekdays after work, I'll be working on it. But besides that, as far as, just big long days or, weekends when I normally work on stuff, it'll be a little bit before I actually get around to having multiple days in a row to work on it and things of that nature. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This comes with the side, what is this? The male side for, well, the actual sensor and the male side connector, as well as these, which are for this part right here. I feel like this one, for the most part, should be and will be pretty straightforward to install. Once again, I still will double check and over the instructions just to make sure I'm doing everything right, because this is my first time doing it and I want to verify that there are no issues, and if there are issues, I want the issues to be narrowed down to one spot. So I will follow the instructions as closely as I can just to make sure that I'm not where the issue is. But yeah, as I said before, this was just a short unboxing video. I should have some more packages and stuff coming in soon, and I'll unbox and install some of that stuff as we go. Hopefully I can have the GTR up and running soon. Everything's supposed to be here before the end of July, so ideally I would like to have it running by the end of the month. If it is running, it might not be the most healthiest, but at least it'll be running. And then I'll still, after that, need to get it over to my engine builder and tuner. I'm going to Midwest Skylines. He's in Nebraska. So I'll take it to him and let him do the dyno and actual tune for it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It was just let me put the instructions with it. Just a quick unboxing video talking about what all I have ordered and that is coming up. And then on my Instagram, I will actually post not just the actual pricing and stuff, but I will post what parts I ordered in case there's anyone else that is wondering or looking for some stuff, or at least I'll put websites and or links to it and under some of the posts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not really gonna mess with this one too much. I might look at the instructions, but other than that, I'll wait around for the other packages to do the coil packs for and or the fuel pump, the fuel filter and injector first. Yeah, that is all for this video.